Magandang araw po uli sa inyo mga kataksosyo. In part 1, we discuss on how to file your BIR Form 1701A for individual taxpayers whose earning income purely from business or profession. And in this part 2 mga kataksosyo, I am going to teach you naman on how to file your 1701 annual income tax return for individual taxpayers who are mixed income earner. BIR Form number 1701 shall be filed by individuals who are engaged in business or in the practice of his or her profession and those working as a full-time employee as well. So tara na mga kataksosyo, let's start the fun! Reminder lang mga kataksosyo, may bago ng form ang 1701. Ito yung version 2018 na may nakalagay na new. Buti pa ang form na to nakapag-move on na, ikaw hindi pa. Di ba ang sakit? Mas masakit pa sa love life mong zero. Again, ilang beses man kayong magkabalikan at maghiwalay ng ex mo, sa 1701 form, ganun pa din mga kataksosyo. Calendar year ending December pa rin ang gagamitin natin. That's why nakalagay dito is 12. Represents your December. And then for the year, as we are filing your 2019 annual income tax return, just type 2019. And then under your amended return, it's on automatic na nakano yung circle natin. And then under your short period return, automatic ring nakano yan because alam na ng form mo mga kataksosyo na hindi na kayo magkakabalikan ng ex mo forever. And then, under your tax type, kung ano yung nasa CUR mo, mga kataksosyo, yan yung i-click mo. So again, in my case, it's professional. Huwag kang salawahan, kaya iniiwan ka ng ex mo. Kaya huwag mo nang i-attempt pang i-click ang single proprietor kung ikaw naman ay engaged in exercising your profession. And then, i-click mo yung compensation earner because at the same time, you are receiving a compensation from your employer. And then, under your alphanumeric tax code or ATC, select between mixed income under graduated income tax rates or mixed income using the 8% flat income tax rate. So, in my case, again, I will choose the mixed income with graduated income tax rates. And then, proceed to line 10 to provide your birth date, and then followed by your citizenship. And then, mga kataksosyo, paulit-ulit ipaparamdam sa iyo ng form na to na hanggang ngayon single ka pa din, kaya i-click natin na single. Again, leave the line 17 at hanggang ngayon na ma-realize mo na iniwan ka na niya at pinagpalit pa sa iba. In line 19, mga kataksosyo, if you have income except from income tax, just click yes and you will be redirected to the page. However, pag wala naman, just simply click no. And then, if you have income subject to special or preferential rate, like income that were subjected to final tax, just click yes. Pag wala naman, just click no lang din. Under your line 21, mayroon tayong dalawang options. You can choose graduated rates or 8%. However, in my case, I use the graduated rates, kaya automatic naka-graduated rates dito mga kataksosyo. And then, mayroon tayong option in terms of method of deduction, wherein you can use itemized or optional. But for this sample muna, we will use the OSD, which is 40% of your gross sales para mas madali at mas mabilis tayong makapag-compute ng income tax payable natin, mga kataksosyo. But later on, I will also give you a quick sample of the itemized deduction. So, para mas madali tayo, mga kataksosyo, proceed to page 2 of your form. And then, under line 8, mga kataksosyo, wherein since ina-avail natin yung graduated income tax rate, for example, meron akong 2 million the total sales ko for the year. Bawasan lang natin ng isang zero, kukupitan lang natin mga kataksosyo para maging 2 million. And if any sales returns or allowances, discounts given to the customers, ilagay lang natin dyan. In my case, wala. Okay? And then, since we opted to use the 40% OSD, meaning 40% of your gross income, your total deductions would be 800,000 pesos mga kataksosyo. And that is why meron tayong 1.2 na net income. And then dahil still employed tayo, no, and receiving a compensation income, ilagay lang natin dito mga kataksosyo yung total income na na-receive natin from employment. And in this field, from line 1 up to line 7, ito yung mga information na makikita mo sa 2316 na binigay sa iyo ng HR noong February. That is why it is very important when filling up this form, dapat katabi mo or hawak mo ang BIR form 2316 na galing sa company mo. So again, if you are availing a 40% OSD, mas madali lang at simple mga kataksosyo. And then, we're almost done na mga kataksosyo. Remember, meron tayong net income na 1.2. Let's proceed to page 4 mga kataksosyo. At kailangan mo lang lagyan to yung part 9 natin dito, a reconciliation of net income per books against your taxable income. So remember, meron tayong 1.2 na net income. Lalagay lang natin dyan, assuming wala tayong ibang reconciling items. And then, in your part 7, tax credit, in-explain ko na ito kanina sa part 1 natin mga kataksosyo kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng prior year's excess credits. For example, wala naman. And then, yung total payment na ginawa natin from Q1 to Q3. For example, meron tayong 100,000 pesos na binayad na sa BIR. And then, if we have CWT na na-receive natin sa mga customers natin, just put the numbers in that line. Again, sa case natin, wala naman. So, just leave it blank. So, we're almost done. And again, yung page 3 natin, just to double check mga kataksosyo, dito, since we are availing the 40% OSD, naka-hard code yung mga item of expenses. So, to check before we will submit it to BIR, mga kataksosyo, i-validate lang natin pag okay na. And then, once successful, ibig sabihin okay na tayo, you can just submit the final copy to BIR. Okay, ganun lang kasimple at mas mabilis lang, di ba, mga kataksosyo. And then, for itemized deduction, okay, I will just click the edit button para lang mapalitan ko yung method of deduction natin. So, balik sa page 1, mga kataksosyo. So, dito, from optional standard deduction, ililipat ko lang sa itemized deduction. Dahil itemized deduction na tayo mga kataksosyo, let's proceed to page 3, yung pinakita ko kanina na naka-hard code. So ngayon, enabled na yung field na to. Ibig sabihin, pwede ko nang ilagay yung mga items of expenses na pwede kong ibabawas against my gross sales or revenue. So ngayon, for example, meron akong depreciation of 15,000 for example in a month. Yan yung depreciation ko sa equipment ko. Meron akong rental na 200,000 para sa building na inuupahan ko for 1 year. At meron akong taxes na binayaran. Let's say 100,000. So meron akong total na 315,000 mga kataksosyo. And then, just to double check kung may mali tayo at may kulang pa, just click validate. So, ito mga kataksosyo, kanina yung 1.2, binago natin yung mode of deduction natin or method of deduction natin. So, magbabago na yung net income natin. So, let's see yung page 2 natin mga kataksosyo. Ang net income natin would be 1,685,000 pesos. So, punta lang tayo sa page 4 natin, mga kataksosyo. Babaguhin lang natin yan. Gawin natin 1,685 para bumalanse doon sa page 2 natin. And once okay na tayo, just click validate. And then, If it is successful, you can now submit the final copy to BIR. And again, always check your email because doon pumapasok yung email confirmation from the BIR that the file is already successful and validated. And then once you have that or once you receive that email, you can just print it in 3 copies and you can now pay your income tax sa mga authorized agent banks. So that's it for today and good luck for your 2019 tax filing this June 14, 2020 mga kataksosyo. And God bless.